Hi, I'm Barb. Today I'm going to be making Cracker Barreled fried apples. Today I have two of my little grands helping me with the peeling and the coring of the apples. I have Emmy and Juliet with me, and they love the fried Cracker Barrel apples. And so this is my copycat recipe. Let me show you how we start. So we push this in, slide it back, and then you grab an apple, you kind of dunk it down because you want to rinse it off. And then when you stick it on here, you want to look to see where this end is. See how, because we want to line this up with this. And then we're going to slide it here. And then, now start turning.
Okay.
Yep, perfect. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, bye. Oops, wait. What's wrong here?
It's up there. It's supposed to be back there.